Who knew raindrops have secrets? Get ready to be amazed by what falls from the sky. Rain isn't just water falling from the clouds. It's a whole science experiment happening above us. First up, did you know that raindrops aren't tear-shaped? Nope, they're actually more like tiny hamburger buns. Delicious, right? And get this, the smell of rain has a name. It's called petrichor. Next time you catch that fresh scent, you can show off your fancy new word. Here's a wild one. The heaviest rainfall ever recorded in 1 minute was 1.5 inches in Maryland, USA. That's like dumping a big gulp on your head in just 60 seconds. Rain can travel at speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. So, the next time you get caught in a downpour, remember you're basically dodging sky bullets. Stay curious, and next time it rains, you'll have plenty of cool facts to share. Catch you later.